Hi guys, welcome to Luna's Kitchen. I am Luna and I am back with another one. I'm really excited to bring you guys this recipe because I love seafood and I love pasta, and this is like the perfect mix of the two. If you're anything like me, this is a perfect dish for you and I hope that you try it. I know that I haven't seen you guys in a long time. It's been so crazy hectic on my end. Beginning of the year was really chaotic. I hope you guys are staying safe. I hope you guys are doing well. Let's jump right in. Now, while this is not an overly complicated dish, it does help to have all of your ingredients prepared, prepped, and set aside. So you want to season your shrimp, and I've gone ahead and I've listed all of the ingredients that I use in seasoning the shrimp. You want to make sure that you peel your shrimp, you devein, you wash, you clean, and go ahead and add your dry seasoning to your shrimp. Let it sit for a few minutes, and then you're going to cook your shrimp. Because shrimp doesn't take a long time to cook, I am cooking my shrimp as I'm boiling my water for my pasta. And I'm gonna cook my shrimp for about 3 to 4 minutes, and I'm gonna fry both sides. And after it's ready, I'm going to remove it from the fire and set my shrimp aside. And I'm going to prepare my Alfredo sauce in the same pan. No need to clean it or anything. All the juice, all the flavor from the shrimp is gonna go directly into my Alfredo sauce. After I remove my shrimp, I'm just going to melt the butter and start making my Alfredo sauce. Now go ahead and add your garlic, and afterwards you're going to add your shallots and fry them up together for a little bit. Now I hope you're not watching this video after making your New Year's resolution to go on a diet, because this dish does require butter, it does require cream and cheese, and it's pasta. It's definitely more filling than a salad, so it does require fats and cooking this dish, but it's absolutely delicious, and I hope that you guys don't skip any steps in making this. After your garlic starts to get golden and your shallots become translucent, go ahead and add in your heavy cream. Now some people prefer to use half and half. Go ahead and add that if that's what you're using, or go ahead and add your cream, and you're going to let that simmer. You don't want your fire to be high, you want to keep your fire low, and you want to allow that sauce to slowly simmer as you add in all the other ingredients to your Alfredo sauce. I'm using a blend of 2 cheeses. I'm using Romano cheese, shredded Romano cheese, and shredded Parmesan cheese. Now, most people use Parmesan cheese by itself, and that's fine, but I like the sharp, more distinct, flavorful Romano cheese, so I'm using a combination of the 2 cheeses. I'm definitely a fan of fresh pasta, so I'm using fresh fettuccine, and it's only going to take 2 minutes to cook, and I'm just boiling some water. I didn't add any salt or oil. I don't add any oil to my pasta water when I'm boiling it because it's not needed. Usually people add the oil to keep the water from boiling over, but again, that's not needed here. So I'm just going to boil my pasta. And if you're using regular pasta, make sure you prepare it al dente, and then go ahead and drain it and add it directly to your Alfredo sauce. Now, while the Alfredo sauce is not thick, it looks really runny. Don't add any more cheese, because once you add the pasta and allow the pasta to cook in your sauce a little bit, your sauce is going to thicken up considerably. The last thing you want to add to your shrimp Alfredo is your finely chopped parsley. So go ahead and sprinkle that on top of your pasta and gently stir it in and turn off your heat. And now your shrimp Alfredo is ready to serve. And there you have it, guys. Dinner is served. This dish came out so delicious, but don't take my words for it. Go ahead and make it and recreate it. Let me know how it goes. Here's a glimpse of my Valentine's Day balloons and my roses. We had a mini staycation and I enjoyed every minute of it. Also serve some freshly baked rolls for dinner and some salad, some fresh salad with some cherry tomatoes. And I really encourage you guys to try this recipe. You can't go wrong. And of course, had to make dessert. And for dessert, we had some homemade biscuit strawberry shortcake. It was so tasty, so good. I hope you guys break your diets for this. Let me know how it goes if you have any questions or comments, and I will do my best to respond. Until next time, guys, bye.